Service mode is a diagnostic and maintenance state in your Tesla Model 3 that limits vehicle functionality to ensure safety during repairs or inspections. When active, features like drive modes might be disabled, speed restricted, or controls locked to prevent unsafe operation. Exiting service mode restores full access to your car's driving capabilities and features, allowing normal use. It's not intended as a user configurable setting and is typically managed by Tesla technicians using specialized tools. Your Model 3 might enter service mode after a service appointment. This happens when technicians perform maintenance or repairs, and the vehicle needs to restrict functionality until everything is properly calibrated. Service mode can also activate following an accident. This protective measure kicks in to limit vehicle operation, ensuring safety while any damage or system resets are addressed by professionals. The vehicle's diagnostics might detect a fault, such as ABS failures or low tire pressure. In these cases, service mode prevents driving until the issue is resolved, protecting both the vehicle and occupants. In some cases, software glitches can trigger service mode. These are usually temporary and resolved through updates, but the mode ensures the vehicle remains safe during any system irregularities. Overall, service mode is a safety measure designed to prevent unsafe operation when potential issues are present. It prioritizes vehicle integrity and user safety above all else. The most reliable way to exit service mode is through Tesla Service. Technicians use Tesla-provided tools, such as the MCU or a laptop with Tesla's diagnostic software, and enter a specific code to deactivate the mode. If your car is stuck in service mode after a service appointment, contacting Tesla is the best course of action. In some newer Tesla software versions, starting from 2025.45 and onwards, you may find a user-accessible service mode exit option directly on the touchscreen. First, ensure your car is safely parked and the ignition is off before proceeding. Next, navigate to the service menu on the touchscreen. This may be accessed through a hidden Easter egg or by entering a specific diagnostics code sequence, such as tapping certain areas repeatedly. If prompted by the system, enter the exit code that Tesla has provided to you via phone or through their mobile app. This code is unique to your service session. Finally, confirm your selection and allow the vehicle to reboot. This will complete the exit from service mode and restore normal functionality. One convenient way to exit service mode is through Tesla's mobile app. Starting with version 4.20 and later, the app may include a remote exit option for authorized users or service centers. Start by checking that your Tesla mobile app is updated to version 4.20 or higher. This ensures you have access to the latest remote features. The vehicle needs to be connected to your phone, either through Bluetooth pairing or a cellular data connection. This allows the app to communicate with the car's systems remotely. You can verify the connection status in the Tesla's touchscreen settings, where Bluetooth devices are listed and managed. Once connected, open the Tesla mobile app on your phone. Look for a service mode exit option, typically found in the vehicle's controls or service menu. The app interface shows various controls, including climate, location, and security options. Service-related features are usually grouped in a dedicated section. When you find the service mode exit feature, the app will guide you through the process step by step. This typically involves confirming your authorization and waiting for the remote command to execute. Using the mobile app for remote exit offers convenience and saves time. But remember that not all app versions or vehicle configurations support this feature yet. Attempting to exit service mode without proper authorization or using incorrect methods can lead to several serious risks. Unauthorized attempts can void your warranty, as Tesla's security protocols are designed to prevent tampering by non-professionals. This could result in lost coverage for future repairs or maintenance. Additionally, incorrect exits often trigger error codes in the vehicle's control systems. These codes can indicate faults that require professional diagnostics, potentially delaying your ability to drive the vehicle normally. In some cases, improper exits may necessitate a full vehicle reset, which erases temporary settings and requires recalibration. This process can take time and should only be performed by authorized Tesla technicians. Most importantly, bypassing official methods can lead to further complications, such as software instability or even safety-related issues. Service mode exists to protect both the vehicle and its occupants, so it's crucial to follow Tesla's recommended procedures to avoid these problems. Remember, service mode is designed for professional use only. Always consult Tesla service or use official methods to exit this mode safely and without risking your vehicle's warranty or functionality. If you're stuck in service mode and can't exit, try these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue safely. First, double-check that your Tesla Model 3 is parked safely and has a stable internet connection. This is crucial because service mode exit requires communication with Tesla's servers for verification and updates. Second, ensure you have the correct exit code from Tesla service. This unique code prevents unauthorized access and must be entered exactly as provided to avoid errors. Third, perform a touchscreen reboot by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black. Wait about 30 seconds, then release to allow the system to restart fully. Finally, if these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Tesla support immediately. Reach out via the mobile app, phone, or visit a service center with your vehicle identification number ready for assistance. Tesla is advancing toward more automated solutions for managing service mode. Future over-the-air updates may automatically exit service mode after minor fixes, reducing the need for manual intervention. Additionally, full self-driving capabilities could monitor and handle service mode in upcoming software releases. To take advantage of these improvements, always keep your Tesla software updated through the vehicle's touchscreen or mobile app.